You searched how to buy shares of First Solar Inc. First Solar makes thin-film photovoltaic panels and develops large solar projects. It trades on NASDAQ as FSLR. And this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as the example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before buying. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker FSLR to find First Solar. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for the correct company. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the right listing. Check the market hours and listing details to be sure. Click, trade, or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same process.